Hey everyone, today we're going to review this Leatherman Rebar. I think I paid like $65 for this at my local Bass Pro, and it's got a ruler on it. 1 inch, or no, these are the inches. This is the standard side, and on the other side is the imperial side, or the metric side. I don't know. I probably just got those backwards. But I think it goes up to like 20 centimeters. Maybe? Yeah, probably. And 8 inches. So that's cool. It's got all the locking tools. It's nifty, so you're nice and safe. Lanyard ring, obviously. Sorry. It's got your nice little awl right here. It's nice for scraping and stuff, or boring holes. It's got a little thread loop in it. If you need to stitch stuff together, you can do that with it. Ooh. It's got one cut file and then a two cut file, two direction file rather, for like woods and metals, anything softer than these. Plastic if you're crazy to do so. You've got a little hacksaw on the edge of this too. That's fun. Two flatheads. These are nifty. Really strong. Here's a straight blade. And replaceable wire cutters, hard and soft wire. Needle nose and regular pliers. This thing has an electrical crimper on it, so that's nifty. It's right here. Squeeze them together and got a nice little connection right there. This thing is tough, super duper tough, like really tough. They called it rebar for a reason. It's probably made out of it. You got a nice little wood saw right here. This thing's aggressive. It's cut through, I mean, reasonably thick wood. It's not like you're cutting down trees with it, you know. You got a nice little three-dimensional Phillips head right here. This is like a P1 and a P2. That's nifty. Can opener, bottle opener, and wire stripper all in one tool. Oh, I already talked about the saw. And you got your little sheep's foot serrated knife. And that thing is cut me plenty of times. Not this one, but my old one. I used that one for a long time. I've had this for probably, I don't know, probably a month now. But a lot of background with it. I love how well the pliers close. You can do like really fine stuff with these, and they grip like really evenly. Something that I do notice with, or I did notice with the rebar I had before I gifted it, this rivet came loose, and that was kind of weird. So like, it would just spin. It didn't affect the way the tool worked at all, but it was just interesting noticing that something like that could happen. Um, Once again, it's got the replaceable wire cutters, and that's a real blessing. I never need to change any of them, but I noticed on my crunch, they aren't necessarily as hard or strong as the replaceable wire cutters, so that's nothing crazy, but it's nice having the option to do so. Yeah, I mean, there's not too many tools on it. I think there's like 17. We can count them. One. Probably the ruler is just one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 tools, yeah. Dang, look at that, on point. Alright, that's the Leatherman Rebar. It's a nice little tool. Hefty. This thing is really strong. It's got a nice, it's like a mini Super Tool 300. And yeah, if you get the chance, you should freaking buy one, because they're awesome. Like I said, I had one before, and now this is my second one, and I don't intend on giving this one away. But Leatherman Rebar, it's tough. This thing's super duper tough. Really robust pliers. But thanks for watching.